guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. So glad to have you guys back, both old and new visitors and subscribers, hopefully subscribers. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. And this is a makeup tutorial for a sunny look. I'll be getting this vibe that I've only been doing like pinkish, purplish, so I just want to like try to switch everything up and do something more colorful because I love colors. If you know me, I love colors so much. I love colors. I love creating new combinations. Like that's just me, honestly. That's just me honestly. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, please subscribe and click the notification bell down below to get notified anytime I post. This is going to be a voiceover, so I'm not going to be talking to you guys as I do this makeup tutorial because I want to be fast before the sun goes down. So I've already done my brows. Now we're going to get into priming my eyelids. So I'm going to be using my Pro Concealer, and first I have to prime my face, and I'm using the Mary Kay Oil Mattifier face primer, and I'm just like, I accidentally like put on too much, but as you guys can see, you just have to like rub all over your face, just like prep your skin for the makeup. And I'm using my Tyler Beauty liquid foundation, and I found that like using just a little bit can go a long way, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm wetting my beauty sponge to like blend in the foundation. You guys have seen this so many times, so I just wanted to like make it faster for you guys to watch and not boring. Now I'm going ahead with my Kiss Beauty contour palette, and I'm using that yellowish concealer, and I'm just highlighting like all the areas I want to like hide my spots, and also highlight. So that's the hack I actually use to make my makeup look, even though I'm blended out. Now I'm doing my under eyes to cover up my eye bags and to highlight under my eyes. So I'm using that really whitish, like milkish shade, and I'm just going in triangle motions downwards, and yeah. Now I'm just highlighting all the areas of my face that needs to be highlighted, the top of my brows, the bridge of my nose, and also I'm like also the side of my jaw. So I'm actually kind of mixing that with the brownish concealer that I used down below, and also my chin. So now I'm doing the same motion, wetting my beauty sponge, and now I'm just like pressing that onto my skin. My face actually looks like so white, but don't worry, it works out in the end. Just keep watching to the end to see what happens. And now I'm just setting the concealer, my highlight and everything with my Black Opal Deluxe finishing powder, and I'm setting my face. Now that that's done, we're going straight into the eyeshadow look. I wanted to do my face first so that I can, use the eyeshadow to like complete the whole look. So I'm basically using the yellowish shade from the Romantic eyeshadow palette, and I'm just using my fingers to like laser that on to my eyelids as a base, yeah, as a base. And um I actually added on concealer first, so it actually works out. So now I'm using my little fluffy brush, and I'm just like blending the yellowish gold shade. I don't know what else to call it, but yellowish gold shade as my base color. And as you can see, I'm just layering that all over my eyelids, all over my eyes. And I don't want any, like, there's no demarcation between the crease and the eyeshadow and the eye look, but that was what I was going for. I wasn't going for any crease look. I was just like wanted something shimmery, something summery, something. Okay, I've said too much eerie. Okay. So I'm doing the same on the other eye. So you guys just need to follow along, get out your makeup kit, and just try to recreate the look as best as you can. You know, everybody won't be perfect the first time, but as time goes on, more practice, you can become an expert at this. So just keep practicing, keep learning, keep watching my videos, and you're going to have loads and loads of lessons from me to help you guide your makeup learning journey. So next, I'm going into my Usher's professional eyeshadow palette, and I'm using that gold shimmer to like lay that on the eyelids because I wanted it to pop. And guys, I've been using this palette so much. The colors in there are so pigmented, so beautiful. So as you can see, as I just laid that on, like, the eyeshadow look is just coming together. It's just looking like, girl, it's beautiful, honestly. So I didn't want to start using a brush, so I just used my finger to lay that on. Or you can use a brush actually, but I just wanted it more to like, I wanted it to pack, like I just wanted to pack on the color. So now I'm just I use the tiny brush to like dab a little bit of shimmer into the inner corners of my eyes, just to complete the whole eyeshadow look. Now I'm blending everything out, and as you guys can see, it is coming together. I am feeling myself right now. I just like this look. I really like it. I hope to use this more than just here. Honestly, it's beautiful. Now going into my romantic eyeshadow palette, I took the red shade and I'm just using that to line my waterline, to like make it pop, because there is summery look. So we wanted to also add a pop of color underneath. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm repeating the same thing on the other side. Now that that's done, we're going straight into contouring, and I just wanted like a soft contour, even though it came out really pigmented, really thick. I just wanted something soft. So all I just did was I pinched my fluffy brush and dipped it into my contour palette, and I just took the darker shade, and now I'm just blending that underneath my cheeks, underneath my cheekbones. Yeah, that's actually the exact place to like apply, and it depends, it varies on the type of face structure you have, but basically the place to contour on your cheeks is always like underneath your cheekbones. So that is a hack for beginners, but if you want an in-depth contour routine, please comment down below, and I'll be so happy to make that video for you guys. I've so much improved from this particular time when I was making this video. I've so much improved in my contour routine, and I was hoping to share that with you guys. I don't know what you guys want to like, whether you guys want to like see that, so that's what I'm asking. So please don't forget to leave that comment down below that you want the contour routine, and I'll be so happy to make that video for you guys. Now I'm just setting my whole face with my Black Opal Deluxe finishing powder in the shade dark. I'm just setting my whole face, and yeah. Now for the lips, I'm lining my lips with my eye pencil first, with my lip pencil, sorry, and to make it look more natural, more like blended and seamless, especially on dark skin girls. This is like a wonderful thing to be doing whenever you want to apply your lipstick. And it's not mandatory, it's not always necessary, but just if you want to like make your lips look natural, that's it. Now I'm just putting in a little bit of clear lip gloss to gloss up my lips because they were like super dry. Actually, I was even liking how this looks. Now I'm using my Nature Beauty long lasting lipstick, and it's actually very bright. It's a very bright orange shade, and I just like used a little of it, and I'm dabbing that on my lower lip just to add a bit of color down there. Now I'm adding on a little bit of blue, so it has the makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, please click the subscribe button down below, and I'll be so happy to hear from you guys. Leave your comments. Did you guys like this look? Would you like me to do more looks in the future? Because I actually had fun creating this look. I actually think I put a little too much highlighter, but I love what's going on the lips. I love what's going on the lips. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your friends and family and whoever needs the video. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.